Alright, so today we are going to change the lawnmower blades on the Troy-Bilt mower. Now I had to go and get another socket because I didn't have a size, and this one is a 15/16 that will fit this one. I watched a video where the manufacturer showed removing the entire deck to change these, and I thought that was absolutely insane, and so did everybody else. What's a lot easier is just get one of these jacks, which will allow you to work on a lot of stuff, your tires, everything. Now normally you'd want to use a piece of wood and like block this where it can't turn. I'm going to try using an impact. If you want even easier, use an impact. Alright, so these are the original blades. They actually don't look as bad as I thought they were. I thought I tore them up a little worse than that. And I'm replacing them with some of these mulcher blades. All right, that's it. That's all we got to do to get these on. But yeah, I'm going to say these blades work really well. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of how to put your blades on and how to change them. They're really easy, and if you use an impact, they're a lot easier. I wouldn't necessarily say they cut better than the ones that were on there, but it does lift a lot more, and it definitely throws a lot better. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.